Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by softening the adhesive at the base of the extensions because the glue must loosen before you pull anything. First, close your eyes and brush lashes with a clean spoolie to separate strands. This reduces accidental tugging. Next, apply an oil-based remover or coconut oil with a microbrush along the lash line and hold for about 3 to 5 minutes to break down bond. Make sure to keep the oil off the eye itself. Once done, blot excess gently, do not rub. You now remove each extension using curved slanted tweezers, and here's why technique matters. Gripping at the base prevents breaking the natural lash. With one hand, steady the eyelid. With the other, isolate one extension and gently pinch at its base. Then, slide the extension away from the natural lash in a single slow motion. Do not yank. If you feel resistance, stop, reapply oil for 30 to 60 seconds, and resume. This minimizes trauma and preserves natural lashes. You finish by cleansing the lash line with a gentle, oil-free cleanser to remove residue and prevent follicle irritation. Rinse with cool water. Then, soothe the area with a cooling gel mask or cold, compress for 5 to 10 minutes to reduce redness. Check lashes for missed extensions and repeat targeted removal if needed. If at any point natural lashes pull or you feel pain, stop immediately. Re-soften the adhesive for another 3 to 5 minutes. And if problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.